day, tourists! My name is Marjanel Gaba, your tour guide for today. Beside me is Kuya Philip, our coach captain. Say hi to him! Seems like all are excited and ready, isn't it? Well, me too. But before we begin to our tour, let's do the hand count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 25. That's great. So now, time check 8:30 in the morning. So I have something to tell you about safety, precaution, and few reminders so that our adventure will be just full of enjoyment. So first, please do remember the word tips. TIPS. And stand for T, take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints, kill nothing but time. So I, instruction, when I raise this flag, this, it means that we need to go back our bus. So P, precautionary measure. Watch your step while walking around the resort, especially near pools, stairs, or uneven surfaces. And I have emergency kit in case of emergency. And look for one peer to prevent anyone from getting lost. Synchronize your time with mine to ensure that no one will be left behind. So lastly, do not hesitate to call my attention. So if you have concern, enjoy! And now, are you ready, tourists, to visit and explore the Infinity Farm? So if you are, answer me, handa na, which means we are ready. So, are you all excited? Can hear you. Alright, so let's go. This is the heart of Infinity Farm, the natural spring. The water you see here is clean and naturally filtered through the rocks and surrounding forest. Local believes it has therapeutic benefits. Feel free to dip your feet or take photos. Here's where it all begins, the natural springs that gives life to Infinity Farm. This water is pure, coming straight from the mountains, and it flows continuously, nourishing the land and the people. Locals have long respected this water source for its freshness and purity. As we walk along, you'll notice these nipa huts and bamboo cottages designed to blend into the surroundings. These are great for relaxing and enjoying a slow meal with family or friends. What makes Infinity Farm special is how it embraces Filipino culture and simplicity. So, no concrete jungles here, just nature and native charm. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the souvenir corner near the entrance. You'll find local crafts and delicacies made by nearby communities. So supporting them means supporting local livelihoods. As we end our tour, I invite you to take a moment. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and remember how this place made you feel. That's the magic of Infinity Farm. It gives you a piece of peace that you can take home with you. So, thank you for joining me today. If you enjoy your visit, don't forget to tell your friends or share a photo using Infinity Farm experience. So until next time, ingat po kayo and may nature always guide you heart.